Hello, this is Candy from eyes2jesus.blogspot.com. And if I'm out of breath, it's because I just came in from a jog. We're actually having a nice day outside, so it's in the 50s. So I did some cardio in the house and then went outside and did a little bit of a jog. And the mail arrived, so I got the mail on my way back in. And I got happy mail. I got two things in a mailbox. I got our Netflix movie for my husband and I, so that'll be fun. And then I got a package. This has what might possibly be my final unicorn. I can't think of any other major unicorn planners that I've been wanting, but the planner that lies in here is a planner I have been looking for years. And I finally had an opportunity. Someone from one of the planner groups that I'm in heard that I was looking for this particular planner. She had this planner. It had only been used twice, and so she got in contact with me and sold it to me for a very nice price, a very good price, and that was really awesome of her. So this package, I was tracking it on the tracking number she gave me. This package arrived 5 days ahead of schedule, so very excited. So I just have my Netflix on top of here to cover up her and my addresses. I didn't open the box yet. That's all I did was use my Target Dollar Spot scissors to cut open the tape. So let's get in there and let's do this unboxing. Wow, she packaged it really well too. And she had it taped really good. It took a bit of work to cut open the tape. Oh wow, it is packaged very, very nice. There we go. And here she is. Wow, this is absolutely gorgeous. I have been looking for this planner for a long time. It is in brand new condition. Like I said, she told me it had only been used a few times, barely at all used. This is a portable size, which is the same as personal size, Daytimer Malibu in the teal color. And if you know me, you know that teal is one of my very favorite colors for planners. And it is spectacular. So it is in brand new condition. Just to give you a tour, in case you are unfamiliar with the portable Malibu, it's even better than the Filofax Malden. Let me grab a Malden and I will show you a quick comparison. So you can see by side, this is the personal size Filofax Malden and the portable size Daytimer Malibu. They both fit the exact same size papers, just Filofax calls it personal and Daytimer calls it portable. But they're very, very similar. While Filofax is known as the creme de la creme, the Malden is the creme de la creme of the Filofaxes. The Malibu is unquestionably the creme de la creme of the Daytimers and one of their highest quality products. So the Malden will lay flat if you work with it. The Malibu lays flat almost right away. This is still in brand new condition, but look at that. Now the Malden strap will tend to get in your way unless you put it underneath something. The Malibu strap, because we have this gorgeous buckle which I love, it lays flat and out of your way. So I love that. So they both have a front zipper. The Malibu zipper goes all the way back. The Malden's is a thin zipper. And then the Malden's side pocket is right here. The Malibu's side pocket is right here and goes all the way back. And then, well, the Malden has 1, 2, 3, 4 card slots. So does the Malibu. A window 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the Malden also has this side pocket here. But the Malibu just has these pockets, which is fine. These pockets go deep. In the back, the Malden has your top pocket and your side pocket. The Malibu has your top pocket and then 2 smaller pockets. These are great for sticky tabs, like Post-it sticky flags. They fit in here perfectly. And the Malden has 1 pen loop, and it is small, so you can't fit a whole lot of pens in here. And the rings are 7/8 of an inch. The Malibu has 2 pen loops. They are huge. Wow, these don't seem like they've ever been used. They seem brand new. And they can fit very big pens. So that is fabulous. And the rings that come on the portable Malibu is a full inch. That is nice and big and roomy for a personal or portable size planner. So I thought also while I have you here, I would show you my Malibu collection. So in addition to this beautiful teal portable Malibu that I just got, I already have their desk size. This is similar to an A5 size, but this is half letter size. So Daytimer calls this desk size. This size in Franklin Covey would be called classic size. And these also normally come with 1-inch rings. I upgraded it to 1.25 inches, and the rings are screwed in. They're interchangeable. How my husband and I upgraded it so I can change this to 1.5 inches if I want. I doubt I'm going to tweak the rings in my portable Malibus. I think 1 inch for portable or personal size is fine. But yeah, my bigger ones I tend to tweak them. So if you want to see how I did that, and it can be done in the smaller ones too if you want to, I do have a video on that. I think it's in my planners playlist that shows how I did that. So I do have the desk size and the portable size now. Gorgeous. So glad and excited and happy I have this. In addition, a year or two ago, Staples was selling faux leather Malibus. These Malibus are genuine leather. They're flexible, they're bendable. It's a pebbled leather. I love seeing texture. I like pebbled, I've noticed, better than smooth. It's one of the absolute best feeling leathers I've ever felt. They smell pretty good too as far as leathers go. The Malibu leather has been one of my very, very ever favorites. So, as I was saying, a few years ago, Staples was selling faux leather desk-size Malibus. So they had it in what they called teal and plum, and their faux leather teal and plum are very different from the genuine leather teal and plum. I never got a plum, but here is one of their teal ones that they sold, and this is faux leather. Now, sometimes these are still on Amazon.com, and so if you search on Daytimer Malibu on Amazon, sometimes these will pop up. I never see the genuine leather on there, but I do occasionally see the faux leather ones on there. And one of the ways you can tell that this is faux leather is all of the blue Malibus, because I made several different blue ones. All the blue ones that are genuine leather will always have contrast stitching. I love the contrast stitching, as to where the blue faux Malibu doesn't. Now, not all genuine Malibus have contrast stitching, as I'll show you in a minute, but most of them do. But the faux leather ones never do. And yeah, I think, yeah, the faux leather ones, they come with inserts. So that's pretty fabulous. Alright, and then I have this. This is a desk size red Malibu vintage. So this is one of their older Malibus. There's a slight difference. Here, let me compare it. This is a desk size genuine leather Malibu, how the Malibus are now. So this is vintage, and this is how they are. The vintage ones, the footprint is barely smaller. The leather is more cracked rather than pebbled, and the snap lies more flat than they do in the current ones. So, and I did a video on that too, comparing the vintage to the common ones. The common ones are better, but the vintage is awesome to have. So I also have these. And so yeah, as for all my desk size, these are all the desk size ones that I have. And then portable size, with my beautiful unicorn here, I also have the rose pink. And this is one of the genuine leather Malibus that does not have contrast stitching. And it's called rose pink because it's a delicate pink, but all the hardware is rose gold. So it comes with the rose gold buckle, rose gold zipper pull, and rose gold rings. So I have that. And this is one of my very favorites. This is the light blue Malibu. This was the last color they came out with before they announced they weren't going to come out with new colors anymore. And this light blue is unique because it's the only Malibu that I know of that comes with gold hardware. Gold buckle, the gold zipper pull, the gold rings, and inside the pockets it's striped instead of just a plain color. Inside the pockets of the rose pink, it's gray instead of black. So I thought that was neat because the insides of all the others are black. But see, that's why I have the black and white stripe. That's not a card in there, it's empty. It's because inside all the pockets are striped. This is one of my all-time ever favorite Malibus. These two rock. I love the blues. And then I got a personal size Cayenne. And the Cayenne is a very sought after planner. I had gotten this off of eBay and I got it in brand new condition. It has never ever been used. And that was really nice to see. And a lot of people have trouble telling the difference between the red that Daytimer still sells and the Cayenne. So let me put them side by side because I also have a red. Here's a portable red. So you can see the difference when they're side by side. The portable red that they still sell, I do love. In fact, that's the planner I'm in right now. And it is a dark, rich red. And the contrast stitching really pops against this dark, rich red color. As to where the Cayenne is kind of a corally, pinky, bright red. And yes, it has the contrast stitching and silver hardware like most Malibus do. So here you can see a comparison. So my top 3 favorite Malibus, I would say this one for sure. This might be my final unicorn. There's no other planners right now that I'm desiring. So I'd say this takes first place, this takes second place, and this takes third place. However, while waiting for this beauty, I have been in this beauty. And I think this was either the first or second Malibu I ever got. I got these two close together. These were my first ever Malibus, and these colors are still available on Daytimer.com the last I checked. So out of the colors that they do still offer, I think my opinion is the red is the best. But I am going to now move from my red to my teal. So let's do this. Ta-da! Wow. Oh, she looks even better stuffed. Look at that. Is that not extremely gorgeous or what? So thank you, my planner friend, for thinking of me and selling this to me and at such a great price. And thank you, United States Post Office. I got this 5 days early. Have a blessed day.